In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image in Blender and make it seamless in GIMP. I created a plane, and added a Voronoi texture to generate this image. Here are the full nodes for the texture image. Here is a composite node that is used to create a seamless image, but it's not working for me. If I go to Krita, open the original render image, and type W to tile, then I can see the tiled image like this. We can see this is not seamless by the design, so let's take a look at the image generated by Blender. In this example, the patterns were improved a bit, but it's still not seamless. This is how we convert any images into a seamless image in GIMP. This is the seamless image created by GIMP. I'm sure there is a way to create a perfect seamless image in Blender, but I haven't found a way yet. When I find one, I'll let you know as soon as possible. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.